Alright. Okay, so I have some ideas. Let's do this. Actually, I was going to have a look at something. Let's clear the chart. Actually, let's clear it. Where are we at? This is. Okay. Let's just do this. Let's just go like this. There's something there. Cool. Alright. Today I was looking at something which got me thinking. So let's just have a go like this, right? Let's imagine, I'll use this example, right? With trend lines, right? Let's say this is trend line. Cool. Let's say this is trend line as well. I mean, not super precise or whatever, but yeah, okay. Let's go with this example. We got these two lines, right? Price follows this. Some people may call it a channel. Okay. So what happens when we go out of the channel? Well, the idea is to follow the new direction, right? So maybe a new channel is formed. Right, so if we zoom in, let's zoom in and have a look. Right, like this. Okay, so here we go out of the channel, and now, so you are probably thinking, okay, it means that if we go out of the channel, we go long. No. My idea is to begin with this hypothesis, this idea I have, right? When we go out of the channel, when we change direction, right? If it's long, I mean, we have to enter on the retrace, right? Now that creates something else which is interesting, right? So if we are to enter long on the retrace, have a look at this. We go out and we are back in here, right? Here is something, and also here is something, right? How convenient for us that some kind of a block is formed here, right? Now let's make it look a little bit better. Okay, here is the low, and the way I like to do it, the candle, we enclose, let's just go with all of these, and let's go with just blue box because it's simple. So now the green candle is the low, that's why I use the green candle, and I go all the way to the top right here, not the wick, and I enclose another red behind it, so it's fine. We don't need to go higher or anything like that. So we have this box, right? This box creates high, defeats this high. If this one has value, I don't know, but this box creates this high which defeats this one, and we come back and we pick it up and we go, right? So that's the idea, right? We have force in one direction here outlined with thread lines, and the force changed for some reason, for whatever reason. I don't know what the reason is. Let's have a look another time, one more time like this. Okay, let's say this is again trend line, and this is again trend line, right? Looks super good, right? Let's adjust it to make it look better. Alright, let's say this is trend line, another channel. and we break out of the channel. And what do? Do we go short? No. Well, we would go short from the highs, right? Because that's where the premium is, right? Now, okay, so the green candle and the red one. Okay, cool. We appear to be going somewhat above it, but apparently a new direction was found, and something else happens after that. I don't care about that. So the idea is, right, if this is the direction, we change the direction, and now the direction is short, we would assume short direction again at a good price. In this case, that is here. So here is probably the good price then, I guess, and we go down. Cool. That is the idea. Right, now, what I was looking at today, let's go back even further for a nice area. I was looking at something else today, which was even more crazy, right? So now let's step up the level a little bit, right? Okay, let's make the bars real big so we can see something. This is bad example, this is bad example. Okay, this is sufficient. Right, I have to find some decent price to show my ideas, right? I'm not saying that anything is right or wrong. These are my ideas. This is what I saw in my head. I have been building inside of my head today for, I don't know why, but anyway, so there's some gap here. Never mind. Okay, so we got this level. We came to here. Now we came even higher, and we managed to pull back to this point, and we came even higher. So what do we have here? Look at this, right? Interesting, isn't it? Okay, now apparently price has been created forming in one direction as previously, right? Now here, by this created by this red candle, price changed direction, right? So this is level 2 from the trend lines. Okay, so direction was changed here, and we now go down, and what happens? We pick up the down steam from eventually here, and we continue down, right? For whatever reason, we go up this far and not this far. Who knows? I don't know. Nobody knows. Whatever. Okay, this is the high. Okay, cool. That is level 2. So notice now, I draw the pulses or waves or whatever you may choose to call them in price. I draw these from highs being created. Here a high is created. Here a low is created. Here as well, but finally over here the high of price and by a bar closing price is created. That's important. Okay, we came back to this level and we created yet another higher price. You could say, oh, we go around here as well, but never mind. We created a high over here by this closing price here, right? So the closing price, the close of the price, that's my point, what I'm trying to illustrate here with this. And in the same manner, we close with this red box, a red bar below a certain level. If it's this pin, or if it's this close or this close, whatever, it's either this red candle or this red candle that closes below it, right? My idea still stands. Never mind. So the close of the candles, right? So let's take it up yet another notch. More examples. Okay, cool. All right. So somebody told me today, and I've been thinking about this for a while, because I know there's somebody, at least one person, probably several hundred and even more, that is thinking like this. I'm going to find one tool here that I don't personally use. I'm looking for something. Where is this thing? Here, icons, no text, no. Where is the thing? It's, oh wait, cursor? No. Array. Okay. Let me find it. Okay. What about this? Arrow. That's good. Path. Yeah, the path tool. That's what I was searching for, right? So, remember, in the previous example, I was using the close price. Now, just 1 second here, like this. For this particular example, and what I've been thinking about for a few days is, well, why the close of price? Why not simply the price moves, the price movements? Why not simply use the spikes? Because guess what? Price, for example, here, price came up to this level here, and price did come down to this level, and price did come here and here and here and actually up to here as well, right? It did move like this, right? Although this is hollow, this part, it's a pin, and this pin as well is like only hollow, right? On another time frame, that's what I was thinking, this is that move, right? Now, let's continue this. Can we actually go? We might be able to do this. Okay. And we came down to here eventually, and we came up to here, and we came here, and something happens in here, but we eventually come up to here, and we come here, and here, and we finally get here. Now, look at this. What have we created here? Nice reversal pattern, right? If this is the final push towards the high, which it looks like, or could be this one. We could be very, I mean, I could be like marking them more crazy, but yeah, this is more obvious. This level over here, it's killed by this here, and then that leaves us this area with this gap. Nice box. My drawing skills are epic, I know. Which leaves us this area for shorts, or maybe higher, who knows. But the last push, this push down, and we now change direction from here. Well, should be up to this area as well. So let's see if something happens, right? And price reacts from this level, and probably also will react above it higher as well. Well, didn't work this time, but anyway, so let's leave it like this. So yeah, that's what I was thinking about, because right, I'm imagining like every small move out of like every small bar is actually it's a move on, it's a move on one time frame, not necessarily the one we're looking at, right? Because this is daily, for example. It doesn't matter which one, but this is the current time frame, daily, right? And I mean, if we zoom it in, we went here, boom, 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 and it came up, and we went down. And guess what? I mean, if you're going to go short, right? For example, if you want to go short, you need to cover the high, right? And you need to target the low, right? Pretty much. I mean, it's pretty much what happened, right? And you could go like, yeah, okay, I'm just gonna cover I'm just gonna go to the high. I'm gonna cover it by whatever. I'm gonna go up to the high. Well, didn't work that well, but I mean, yeah, we got a bit of slack as well here, and whatever. Could still work. Let's take this and make it more crazy, right? Let's see what happens if we zoom it in and see what actually happened. Now it's gonna be, this might be difficult to see. Where is the funny tool? I might have to put that thing on the the path tool. Yeah, let's go. Let's put it here and put it here. All right. So we come here, here, and now down and up, and how am I supposed to interpret this? And we get down to here, we get here, here, and here, and here, down to here, and now we go. That's interesting actually. That doesn't work. Okay, let's go like this. You might be able to do be able to change it to, I mean, I don't know, 4 hour. Okay, now we have the pretty much the same thing, right? But let's use the close now. Okay, down, up, down. Somebody will say, oh, I missed the spot. Yeah, I probably did. I miss spots all the time. And here, here, and here. That will have to do for now. That will have to do. Okay, now what do we have? Okay, right. If this is a higher high, then this is the entry point. Here. This is the entry point for a high. And we close down low, so we expect a short from the top, right? Then this is probably the entry point for a short up here, and which we have here. Now we go down, down, down. This is the entry point for a short, which did not work. We can do like this, and we then change to up. We go even further to here, to some kind of place. Maybe the stop needs to go here. Actually, the stop needs to go here. I mean, it doesn't look that bad actually. Let's go. So if we are to go here, okay, I keep pressing the wrong buttons. Right, and this is here. Don't worry, I'll clean it up soon. And then if this is a short, I don't know, here. This is the high, so we go here, we target the lows. Okay. And then what do we have? Change from this. It's still down actually. Now we change after this. So it's up from here. So here. From all of this. So this is the up move. We gotta make it like this. So this is the short apparently. Targeting the low. And let's zoom into this thing. What's this pin? Let's remove this because that's weird. Alright. Let's go just a little bit below. And okay, we target, this is backwards. So if this is the area, here is the area. Okay, pretty much here. That's not a lot. And then we have the high, same thing, above it, targeting the low, cool, let's draw it out, this kind of crap. And then what do we have here? Same deal, right? We change direction to up, from here. This, all of this zone is the entry box. Can we delete some of these items? Of course we can. We can make some new ones. Okay. This is the entry box. Right. Which created here. Right. It's the entry box, same rules. Okay. And we target highs. Cool. I mean, it doesn't look too bad. Yeah. What do we have? Same highs. Same lows. Higher highs. Yeah. Maybe even like this. And down, and maybe even a high. An entry. Probably, most likely, one more like this. Yeah. And also targeting the highs. I do wonder, would this work? I mean, this works, this doesn't work, but that's 3.3R. Would probably lock that at some point, but who cares? This also kinda works. Let's keep on drawing it. Okay, let's see what we have. Pathing tool. Up to here. Actually goes down, and then goes up, and goes way down here, and then goes up. Well, what? Wouldn't you know? What's this? What is this? Are you seeing this? What is this? Equal highs, and the retrace, equal highs, move away, displaying force down. Now, remember, if the direction of force is sideways, as denoted by the box, if this is the direction of force, move away from the direction means a change in direction, right? As I was displaying on the first example. Now, so boom, 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 down, and we come back up, and we enter here. Apparently, here, and target the lows. I think it looks rather promising. Okay. Down, up, down, all the way up, down to here, right? Down to here, up, down, all the way down to here, and then up, actually all the way here. There's also some picking up, I mean, look here. So here, same low. This, I'm not sure if this is lower than this, but when we close, when we go above the swing point, change direction of the power to up, pick it up, go down, pick it up, and then we go down here though. Definitely a place to pick that up from here. And I don't really know, there's the red box. I'm just winging it here. Please don't shoot the messenger. That's pretty cool. I wonder if that works. No, it didn't. Well, that's a shame. There was 3.6. Who cares? But I mean, this appears to be fairly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's not a lot. 6 of them. And I mean, yeah, half of them worked, and R is bigger, so bigger than 1, which tells me that it should have a positive outcome. Let's clear some of this out. Let's do this. Let's clear some of that out. Bye bye. Nice. Now what do we have now? We got here, 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 and down for the power down, for the re-entry over here. Right at this point. Where's the price signal down? There's one. Okay, great. Above this is fine. Okay, cool. We go target the lows. Cool. Let's see if this produces something useful. Still down. Okay. Down, retrace down even lower, so we're picking it up from picking it here to go down one more time. Who knows? Yeah. Or no, apparently no. Change to up. Go down. Look at that. I mean, that is so surprising how that works. You see how well we changed it to up, right? Everything is covered. Everything is covered, except for this. All of these pins and the bars, they're covered. Everything goes up. We go down. We only have this left. And what happens? Rejection of it twice, and we go back to the highs. So it's so interesting how that happens. Now we're back at the level. I mean, I think we should actually, for this example, yeah, we're looking for highs. So again, it happened, right? Another higher point, or maybe higher close, or I don't know, but came even higher up. We traced back down and became even more higher up. That is interesting. I should actually, I should. There might be another way to do this. Let's zoom out, let's clear it. Let's see now. Isn't there line? Or we can't use range charts. Or we can use range charts, but we can't use the replay function. Let's go with line. Does it work? That kind of works. That's not what I was looking for though. There is what about this now? What about okay. No, that's no good. That's no good. No. Was what about this? Oh yeah, that's more simple. So I'm pretty much looking to cut out the pins, right? So that there are no pins at all, right? So now let's clear out everything, because this way it's so much simpler, isn't it? Let's zoom out. Oh, that's pretty cool. Let's go here. Can we go here? Oh, okay, we don't have more replay. Okay, let's just zoom into this place. Alright, pretty cool. I mean, now it's easier on the eyes to see it, right? So, like, we were here, we went down to this place, we went higher, came over here, we went down, higher, we came back. Look at that. I mean, it's so interesting how that becomes, right? And then we go even higher from this level. Right. Oh, whoops. Right. It's so, I mean, I don't know how to put put the measurements here, but yeah, just like the thought of, yeah, down, here's another one actually. I mean, I guess we would have to do it like this. It's, yeah. This is almost useful. Let's clear it. Turn off replay, and let's go with I have it here actually. I like the 60 range. Oh no. Okay, well it works. It works. This one I tried some examples with, right? So the issue I have is, I mean, look, what is this? What even is this, right? But the way to solve that is make it faster. See? Now we can see what's happening, right? So we go flat, we change direction down, come back up, and we go down for some reason. Back up, down for some reason. And now it didn't work. Now, because it didn't work, we go up, retrace, and we go up, and it stops working, and yeah. And I did figure out a way around the use of the R. These are Renko bars, I think. But that's not what I was going to talk about today. Anyway, so it's interesting, right? Because like somebody just, like, imagine we do this, yeah. Candles, yeah. And then we go to minutes. This is cool. Now we're on the 1 minute. Okay. Came up to this level here. We broke down. And we left the gap here, filled. Rejected the low. Where do we go? To the high, right? And gap here, where do we stop? Right? Does the close higher? I would say higher than this. Yeah, so we have the move. This down, up, and then picking it up and going even further higher. Yeah, and here is the gap. Imagine that. This is where we stop. I mean, I can't even make this shit up, right? What's going on? Leave it, we fill it. We leave one, we fill it, we go down. So we're still up. There's no gap here, no gaps, so we still go up. Interesting. So if this can't create higher level, then we should go down instead. But it didn't pick up off anything spectacular, so who knows, right? Yeah, like I said, not higher, then we should go. And yeah, so we leave some inconsistencies here. This no value, but this okay. We got these, and this as well probably, but it's far away. We have the level, right? When we come back, we go down, we come back to this area for whatever reason. Big one, go down, we leave a gap here, and we leave it here, and this level goes down, leave one. That's cool, right? Look, leave one, fill it, go even further, come back to the, I mean, that's the same level, right? Same level, goes down here, kills it, and we don't have any more information. That is interesting, right? Just like price moves in these wave movements, and has a way of looking for the holes in price, so to speak. And I don't really know why. I have my ideas, but yeah, who cares, right? Look at this. This is like textbook over here. Right, so we come up high, we have a gap here, higher, we come back down. What is happening here? What's happening here? Reaction. We go even higher, we come down, we have this kind of gap thing here, which is filled all the way, reaction to the low, right? Stop here, go even higher, and we come down. This is not a gap, this is the next gap, and we come down, back up again, look, touching it, so we only have this area left, right? What happened here? I mean, it creates lower, we leave this inconsistency here, and I mean all of this thing in the middle, that's the internal structure, doesn't really matter to me. But I mean, it's so interesting that, I mean, right, and we go down, we leave this small gap here, something happens here, I don't know why or what, but I mean, look, reaction of it, that's so interesting, right? And I mean, this is kind of, it's not really much here, but some small reaction. Here is something small, and there's really nothing here. No, apparently no. Yeah, it really is so interesting the way it moves like this. Okay, I was looking at IBM actually for long on the daily, and yeah, could show you some nice signals or some nice trades I used this week, but I'm not going to do that. But I was looking on IBM actually for long, so the idea was, okay, we came here, we closed higher, and my idea is this level needs to have some kind of reaction long. I know, yes, even though the gaps, yes, we have to change in direction and we should look for shorts from here, but whatever. I'm thinking, okay, looking for a reaction long here. So here, and let's look at daily and 1 hour. Let's see if we got that. Do we have bullish price here? Well, we come into the area. It's very, I would say it's there, but it's very weak. So we come into the area here at this point, like from, like, let's say from this here, and we come into this area, and we are now into it here. Now we go higher, which here creates this. Okay, let's go. Alright, so we switch to longs, right? And then we come back up and we go down. For some reason, I would like to pick it up. I think I want to pick it up at 165, I'm not sure. But like, after this reaction to the level, reaction, switch along to the level, and we retrace. I want to pick it up and I want to go high. That was what I was looking for, and if it plays out, we will find out. I'm not sure. Okay, let's go back to, let's go and look at something else. I was actually, I think there was something interesting on CL I did watch. This one. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Look. This is cool. So I'm seeing this, right? I was. Let's go back to. I mean, we can just keep the reaction. Let's keep this. Right. So I was seeing this level, and I had a notification here. So we come up into the area, right here. Let's just go like this. And so we come into the area. I switch to M5, right? Cool. So there's the, we are into the area right here, into M5. And then what I was thinking, if you see, we go down, we go up, this is nothing, and then what happens? We confirm even lower. This is the entry and which I took, and this for a 1-to-1 down. And I think I targeted actually here for 1.6, but let's look more into it. Right, so we get the area here. Let's just get it. So yeah, so I want, initially when I saw it, when I saw this, I was thinking, okay, we are now into the area. I want to close below here, because all these green bars, this is like some kind of something. I want to close below here, I want to come back, and I want to short. That's not what happened. So I ended up watching it. We moved down, we moved back up. So I thought, yeah, that's, I mean, okay. So we reacted off the level. I'm not seeing short bearish action, so I'm not entering. But at this point here, we move even lower. So this is now the strong high, because this is confirmed, and because of that, when we come here, this is the M5, and remember the area was from H1. So when we come back up into it, I now have the reaction, right? This created the low. That is the not the level. I call it. I call it strike zone, and it says war on my screen. As you see, the price action formation touches it here with Harami. That's a stop. I don't go short out of that, and I don't like the next one formation after, because the pins on the top are too much. I would like to see thick red bar, but this actually, even with the pins, the engulfing is good enough for me. So I ended up doing this. Right, I put it here somewhere, I think, and covering the high. Where is the high? Let's see which one. Yeah, for this one actually I was a bit tired. I think I went here to the top. In reality it should be up here. Stop for the idea. And for the 1-to-1, yeah, because I was targeting this area, that's why. Yeah, I did this. Yeah, retrace into the area, going down. But yeah, so what I was supposed to do was target here, cover the reaction with sufficient distance, and 0.1106. Yeah, that's good enough. This particular signal, I think I mentioned it several times. I like to enter this with a 1-to-1, and something like that. Could have easily got more out of it, but who cares, right? Next swing point is here, but I mean, that's not what I do with that. But it was there, and yeah, just a 1-to-1. To me, it has so far had a very high strike rate, and we'll see how it plays out. Yeah. So the idea, right? To reiterate, this is the move, right? We got this. We go up, and we go down. Something happens in between. We go up again. We go further down, and we go up, and we go down. All right. This thing is here. Let's see if we can do this. Can we move it up more? Oh, we can put it to the side to make it more clear. We go down, push up into it. Somewhere there. Somewhere covering the highs, or just to make it obvious. Yeah. And we target, yeah, something like that. Pretty much. Yeah. Yeah. So I guess I'm gonna have to work on the intra pin movements with the arrows, but I will I will get back to everybody when I have some more good ideas with it. Let's just readjust this thing. Okay, let's go back. We don't need to go here. And after this thing, we change to up. So now we're looking for up, right? And now we have this with this imbalance. We should be having this, right? Oh, that's the strike zone. It's just a blue box. Looking for up. This is nothing. This is intra. This is the gap. Gap here. And let's see. And that's all there is to it. Right, so I think currently I'm just looking at, oh, sorry. I'm just currently just watching this, and most likely like Monday will be flat. It's normally flat. Who cares? And yeah, nice kind of pins here reacting of something. Yeah, similar thing on the NQ, but yeah, let's yeah, that's not. Do we have the NQ? Let's go with this one. Oh, it's not so clean. Okay. Yeah. Oh yes. Yeah. But this though is not the same time frames. I was looking at this after the market. I was just looking at like bars because that's the way I am. I look at bars. And I was looking at 15, I think. Now if you see what happened here, we were here. This is some sort of a high. We come even higher. And we come up to this place. We get down here. We get higher and we go even lower. So okay, so we're going down, right? Now, and then we go up for some reason. And we have a big fat reaction here. Now this internal moves didn't actually produce anything, but what I was looking at, eventually when we come to here, this was I was looking at this from the M15, right? Now look, 15 minutes. There was quite a few news, and eventually we got this reaction here of the low, which is a change. So that's something I very much like, because we changed the direction. We came from here. We are here, right? We are here. Changed the direction to up. Now we're looking for up. We got reaction here. I wonder what's inside of this. Let's have a look, shall we? Oh, would you look at that? Cool, huh? There's the entry box level. We enter it. We go higher. We come back and we can enter here. That is glorious. Look at that. We got some highs over here. We can target. We got some highs here. We eventually only came this far up, but I mean, if I was looking at like this green box here, right, and I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna cover the reaction. Let's see. Here we go higher. Is it really higher? I'm not sure, but it looks higher in my eyes. It looks higher, right? So we go higher. We come back to the retrace. We enter here. We stop. We cover the low, and we don't target this high because this is just a internal move, right? But the next level here could be interesting, and it's more than 1-to-1. So there is a trade here, right? In the same fashion, there is a trade over here, I think. Yeah, because lower. We were here, we came up to here, go down, and it worked out as well. It's very interesting how it does that. Okay, right, I have had enough. I'll leave you with these ideas for another day, and see what happens tomorrow. I'm just gonna clean this up. interesting, the reaction of this area, huh? Isn't it? That might actually be something to look into. Not today though. Or nah, there's nothing there. It's too late. I think it is too late. There's nothing funny there. Similar thing, but no pullback, just clean, going up, and yeah, see how there's like nothing here. Watch the time and watch when the bars are more small, and watch the time when the bars are big. See? Yeah, I don't look at the, don't do it. Yeah, as for now, I mean, after 20, I don't really look. There was some action before, but okay, never mind. I'm rambling now.